Thank you guys for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOGG and this is my kitchen, where I'll be bringing you affordable restaurant quality foods or better from my home to yours. So guys, let's get cooking. We're not cooking today actually. That's just my intro. So anyway, today welcome to my small little haul. Okay, this small little haul, I'm not gonna lie to you, it cost me over $220. But I went to 3 stores to make that happen. Alright, so I'm gonna show you the bread. Now this is what is this, Italian loaf of bread, and I did get that for 30 cents at Walmart. Got these 2 breads for $1. Got 2 of these for $1 a piece. Alright, let me put those back in here. Try to make this a little bit fast because I got to do some more extra work. Anyway, here's a bag of lemons I got from Kroger's. No, actually this came from Walmart. So I went to the 3 stores. One of them was Kroger's, the other one was Walmart, and the other one was GFS. Alright, those are my main go-to stores. Alright, I got some mozzarella and provolone cheese right here. This bag of cheese right here cost me 13 bucks. And this, how many pounds? This is a 5-pound bag, and you ain't gonna go wrong with this. This is the real deal for your pizza and stuff. And I'm gonna be making some, probably a calzone or something. A subscriber asked me for. Here's some meatballs right here. I'm gonna be doing something with that. I may make the meatballs, some pepperoni calzone or something, and something else with that. All right, that bag of meatballs right here cost me 10 bucks. And that's made with beef. Yep. Alright, here's some Genoa salami right here. I got this from GFS in that bag of meatballs. This Genoa cost me, I believe, $9. This came from GFS as well. These pepperonis, the big ones. Alright, this cost me $9. Here's a beef knuckle right here. This costs $25 right here. I might do Italian beef or something, show you guys, since y'all want to look at the other one. I don't know why. If people are sleeping on that, they sleeping on it. I don't know why they ain't looking at it. I'm giving you something that took me years to come up to make. Alright, this is some yeast from Kroger's. This cost me $1.20 for 3 packages. Alright, I'm going to make the dough from scratch. But if you want to see that, I do have a recipe for that. But I'm going to go ahead and use this right here. I got from Kroger's too, the classic pizza. Family style crust right here. And I'm going to use this to make that calzone or pizza or whatever. Here's some Swedish meatballs sauce. Well, not Swedish meatball, but Swedish style sauce right here that you can make with your meatballs. Alright, that came from GFS. This can cost me $4.99, so $5. Okay, this is some corned beef hash. This can right here cost me $6. This is a 3-pound can, and I'm telling you, this is off the chain. I wouldn't buy it if it wasn't. Alright, now that came from GFS also. This bell pepper was 79 cents at Kroger's. These was red ones were 4 for $5 at Kroger's. Green leaf lettuce was $1.19. You see how big that is? That is huge. Okay, I'm gonna be making something with that also. I did get some a mix of fruit or something like that, fresh cut up fruits right here. I'm gonna be making something with that. I might do like a Belgian Waffle or something and put these toppings on there. Some more tomatoes right here on a vine. Okay, these right here cost $2 for the 4. Okay, these avocados, I bought 2 of those for $1 a piece. Okay, now when you use these, you're gonna have to use them within at least a day or 2. because it will go bad quick on you. I just messed one up, so that's why I ended up buying these for a sandwich that I'm planning on making. Alright, I got some cucumbers right here, 2 of those for like 59 cents. I have some power greens. This is like whole bunch of different like varieties, spinach and all the type of different stuff, in the kale and all that stuff in here. I got this on sale for $1.49. We'll go ahead and get these cheese. Now those, that produce right there came from Kroger's. Alright, this cheese right here, of course, great value. You already know that came from Walmart. Alright, I got this for like $3.40 something. Alright. That's that. I got some sharp aged cheese from Kroger's. Right here, this was $1.99. Just trying to work my way around, guys. These right here. Now, if you guys want to make them, what was them things that I made? They was like McDonald's steak and egg bagels. This is what I use to make them. These are Philly cheesesteaks, sirloin Philly steak. These are excellent. So these right here was like $6 something, I forgot. I know there was $6 something, $6.79 or something like that a piece. All right. Of course, you know, if you go to Walmart, these are like $2.50 a piece. So I got 2 of those. This pepperoni and the other one is bacon cheeseburger or something. I got some hot dog buns right here. These was $1. Right there, 2 of those. I got some extra wide noodles right here. These was $1.19. I got some more of these rolls right here, Hawaiian rolls. These was like $3.49. These are extremely good. I'm gonna show you a butter recipe for that. I got some hash brown, GFS right here. Now all you do is put water in there and they'll blow up. You don't want to put it in a whole box because you even cook them all in one day. All right. So that's that. I got that for like about $3. Here's the Belgian Waffle mix right here that I got. This came from Kroger's right here. That was like $2.19. All right. All right. We got some Tabasco sauce, 2 for 1. All right. So this cost me like $3.99 for that. This is a Frito mild cheddar. This was expensive. I ain't gonna even lie to you. So, but I wouldn't mind buying right. I already did a recipe on this, so when you'll see it again. So this cost me I want to say like $3.25, $3.50 or something like that. This right here is like a turkey breast and smoked ham. They mix right here. All right. So that was around about $4. Here's some mild Italian sausage that I'm gonna use for my stromboli or calzone. And these you may not see because I already made them before. If you want to check that out, you can go check them out. The gizzard and liver. Them well, this right here. Let me go back to this. This costs like $3.90 or something like that. No, they won't even $3.49. That's at Kroger's. And this was at Kroger's. This is $1.79. I got 2 packets of that. And I have some chicken liver. $1.79 for that. I have some marinara sauce that I'm gonna use, and I'm gonna hook that up too. And I'm got this right here for like, guess what? This big old jar right here, 2 pounds and 11 ounces. Costs $1.99. And we're gonna hook that up. So that's the end of my little haul. You know, I did get some water. I got another jug I already used. Now typically I buy mine by the 5 gallons, but I didn't feel like filling them up because my son was not around because he had to carry it too heavy for me. Right now I got a bit mad back. So anyway, there's no here, no there. It's a lot of other stuff that I didn't show. But next time I'll try to have, my table ain't that big, so next time I'll try to have it for you guys. But don't forget to like, share, and please subscribe to the channel. And please, also, please, most important, please hit that bell so you can be notified when I upload another delicious recipe or another haul. Okay? So saying that to say this, I'll see you guys next time, and thank you for tuning in, and I'll holler at you. Signing out, VELDOGG.